welcome back. In this portion of my channel, we will be focusing on makeup tutorials. So let's jump right in. And that's all there is to it. Flawless makeup. Haha, just kidding. We know there's much more to it than just that. My philosophy has always been that beautiful makeup starts with beautiful skin. So come on into my studio and let me show you what I mean. Alright you guys, so you are literally catching me right before work. I am joining Mac Pro on Las Vegas Boulevard, and a coworker of mine challenged me to play with some color and sparkle. So this is the Ultra Vegas glam right now. But hey, it's all about pushing yourself, learning and expanding your perspective on beauty. So today we're gonna talk about skin types. Although skin types can be categorized in many ways, I'm gonna focus on just the three. There's dry skin, there's oily skin, and there's also the most popular one, which is combination skin. So for me, I would consider myself as oily skin because I have larger pores, and anytime I wear makeup in the next hour, I'm so shiny. So for those that are really suffering from ultra shine and you never have the right makeup products, you would be considered as oily skin. The next one is going to be dry skin. Now, dry skin, they are suffering from wanting that dewy look. No matter how much moisturizer put on, no matter how much primer they put on, they just cannot get that dewy glow that people really want. So dry skin, you're gonna see a lot of flakiness, you're gonna see smaller pores, you're gonna see more texture. So again, I will make sure I recommend the right products for you. Last but not least is gonna be combination skin type. A lot of people really relate to combination skin type because these are the people that have oily T-zone, which is shine in the middle of the face, but around the edges, they're gonna find a lot of dry, patchy areas of flakiness, and again, that dry textured skin. So with a lot of combination skin type, you're just gonna have to find the perfect balance of oil absorbent products around the T-zone, and then making sure you're staying hydrated and using proper moisturizers to really help with the patchy areas. So identifying your skin type is actually gonna help you find the best products for your face. In the next portion, I'm gonna be discussing products that are best for each skin type. So I'd love it if you would leave a comment down below on what skin type you think you have. Every skincare routine should involve some sort of cleanser, some sort of toner, serum, and a moisturizer. So I'm gonna break it down. For people who identify themselves as dry skin type, we really wanna focus on immediate hydration, giving you back that glow and radiance. So with that said, we're gonna focus on a hydrating cream cleanser. The reason why you want to focus on a hydrating cream cleanser is it's not going to strip away any oils or any moisture that's already in your skin. Next up is a toner. You want to use a toner that is considered a hydrating toner. Toners come in many different formulas, and again, you want to focus on something that hydrates. Next up is a serum. Now, a lot of people forget a serum and say, oh, it's too many steps, but a serum is your magic power sauce. Pretty much what it does is it elevates your hydration levels and it gives you more of a concentrated effect. Then you want to top it off with a hydrating moisturizer that has a little bit of aloe vera and anything that will give you extreme moisture. Now, for people that consider them to have oily skin, again, these are characterized by larger pores and you have too much shine. So again, you want to reduce shine and not have that wet look. So for those, you want to do an oil absorbent cleanser. If you look at all the reasons why you want to, again, reduce shine. Same with the toner. You want something that's oil free, shine reducing. Same with the serum. You can have a mattifying serum, and guess what? They also have mattifying moisturizers and mattifying creams. So just because you think you are oily and shiny doesn't mean you do not need hydration. So I just want to stress with you guys, there is a big difference between saying I am oily and I am hydrated. Two different parts. Last but not least is going to be your combination skin type. A lot of people might say, yeah, I am combination. I'm not necessarily oily, but I'm not necessarily dry. So for this category, I absolutely love because a lot of products are geared towards the combination skin type. So again, you can use any basic moisturizer, any basic serum, any basic toner, any basic cleanser. So when I say the word basic, it doesn't literally mean it's just a basic product. What I really mean is that it's geared towards all skin types. So just to recap, my philosophy is that beautiful makeup starts with beautiful skin. I want to encourage you all to do your research and invest in your skin because you will not regret it. So if you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe. And I'd also love to hear what your skincare routine is and your tricks to beautiful makeup.